Hi, I'm Katina. Installing a trailer hitch on your Hyundai Kona can take you to some really fun places like camping and biking. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer almost anywhere in North America. Let's break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. For our first step, the instructions call for us to lower the exhaust. However, we've determined that this back panel is very flexible, so we're going to be skipping that step and going to step 2. Now we're going to be removing this dust panel on the passenger side of the vehicle. It has 3 clips under and 1 bolt. I'm going to be using a flathead to remove these pins. And now I'm using a 10mm ratchet to remove this one. Now that we have the pins off, we're going to be removing this dust cover and then giving it to the customer. Now we're going to be raising the hitch into place, lining it up with the 2 existing holes on the frame. The attachment points are the same on both sides. Now we're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive jack to raise the hitch into place. If you don't have one, you're going to need an extra set of hands to help you. Now we're going to be removing this rubber grommet from the bottom of the frame on both sides so we can run our fish wire. Alright, using our provided hard wire, we're going to be running the fish wire from the attachment point back to the access hole. Carefully, we're going to be attaching the bolt and the spacer to the fish wire and then pulling it through. Now we're going to repeat this on the 3 remaining attachment points. Now that our bolts are in place, we're going to be installing our conical tooth washer, making sure that the teeth are facing the hitch and our nut. We're going to start by removing the fish wire and then adding the washer and the nut. Now we're ready to tighten the hardware to manufacturer specifications. For that information, click on the link below. To torque the bolts, I'm going to be using an 11/16 socket. And now we're going to reattach the grommets back into the frame. Now with our hitch installed, we have brought the vehicle to level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper, it's 2.5 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver, it's 12.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.